Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm super excited to be back. And I'm in Goa right now, so I thought of filming a little get ready with me. So for to complexion, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Serum Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. Again, very affordable. I feel like I have talked about it. And then I'm mixing it with the Charlotte Tilbury foundation, which I got during Nika's sale. And again, I got the wrong shade. It is very light, so I'm mixing it with my Makeup Revolution foundation, which is a little darker for my skin tone. And I feel like it still looks lighter, but I just want to use this foundation because it is so expensive. I mean the Charlotte Tilbury one. So I try to mix it with my darker foundations and use it. Actually, I genuinely like the finish of it, but it just is very light for my skin tone. I got the shade 7.5 neutral, but it is very light. I should have gone with something like 8.5 or 9, I feel. Moving on to concealer, I'm using my usual concealer, but also my favorite. This one is from K Beauty, and I think I'm in the shade 140Y. Next, I'm using one of my favorite compacts. This is the Wet n Wild compact powder. I'm using this to set my face. I don't know why no one is talking about this. This is so good. It sets your face. It is super lightweight. It doesn't make your face look oily or cakey for a really long time. And yeah, it's just a really good compact powder. So if you're looking for a good setting powder, then you can try this one out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. This is something that I haven't done in a long time, at least in front of camera. And yeah, I'm using my usual Wet n Wild brow kit. I swear by this product. I mean, this is something that I have been using for so many years now. I think I started using this in 2017, and since then it's been my constant. I love this product. For my blush, I'm using the Earth Rhythms Lip and Cheek Tint. I think this is in the shade Mermaid. I love this because it is so glowy. You don't even need a highlighter after using this. But if you're someone who is really oily, I would not recommend this product because it has that sticky texture and it would make you more oily. Even I'm oily, especially in summers, but my skin type is combinational, so I get the most oily around my nose, and rest of my face is pretty much okay, so I still can make it work. I know this is a little unnecessary, but I'm still using a little bit of liquid highlighter on top of my blush because I want that extra glow. I want to look flushed and glowy and sun-kissed, so that's why I'm using a little bit of liquid highlighter. And then I'm doing the usual. I am applying a little bit of bronzer as my eyeshadow. And then I'm taking this powder highlighter from MAC and I'm using it to highlight my inner corners. And then I'm going ahead with this Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. I got this during the Nika's Pink Friday sale. I always used to buy the mini one, but I finally got the full size. It gives you so much volume, length, and makes your lashes look jet black. And then I applied lipstick, which I forgot to film. So first I applied this Kiro Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Venus Rose, and then I topped it up with another Kiro lipstick in the shade Nutmeg Nude, and finally I've topped it up with the Kiro Beauty bullet lipstick in the shade I don't remember the shade name. I will put it in the description box below. And then I changed into this black t-shirt and cargo pants. Actually, I was leaving for the airport. This is not like a get ready with me in Goa. It should be more like get ready with me for the airport. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Please hit the like button and please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. Also, take good care of yourself wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.